Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the specifics of the Conga 5490 battery warranty, ensuring you understand how to maintain your device effectively. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a multimeter for testing the battery. Begin by ensuring your Conga 5490 is powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel to expose the internal components. Here, you will see the battery compartment. It's essential to keep this area clean, so take your soft cloth and wipe away any dust or debris. A clean environment helps maintain the efficiency of your battery. Now let's check the battery's condition. Using the multimeter, set it to the DC voltage setting. Connect the probes to the battery terminals. The red probe goes to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal. A healthy battery should read around 14.8 volts. If your reading is significantly lower, it may indicate a battery issue. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify any underlying problems with your battery. Next, if you find that the battery is indeed faulty, you may need to replace it. To do this, carefully disconnect the battery from its connectors. Take note of how it is connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new battery. Before proceeding with the replacement, consider that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved up front. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your device. Once you have your new battery, connect it to the terminals in the same manner as the old one. Ensure the connections are secure to avoid any future issues. After connecting the battery, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Now, let's discuss maintenance. Regularly cleaning the battery compartment and ensuring the connections are tight can prolong the life of your battery. Additionally, avoid exposing your Conga 5490 to extreme temperatures, as this can affect battery performance. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also offer collection and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service at your doorstep. In conclusion, understanding your Conga 5490 battery warranty and how to maintain your device is essential for optimal performance. By following these steps, you can ensure your device remains in top condition. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.